Yeah, I was out teaching a paddleboard lesson, and this dolphin was just thrashing the bait fish in maybe a foot of water. So it was making for this incredible show and just brutalizing these fish about this big. And blue heron flew in and started picking up scraps. It was pretty spectacular. I was glad I had my phone on me and able to film it. Yay, up this morning, got a little dolphin in front of us. A little video in, I'll send y'all. There's our dolphin friend. Yay. Oh, look at that, wow. He's hunting. Sweet.
I see the fish at the mullet jumping.
Yeah, not a good morning to be a mullet.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So cool. Out doing a paddleboard lesson today with Dan and Kelly. We have a nice dolphin show going on here. That blue heron's looking for scraps. You see him on shore?
Oh, is that what he's waiting
Oh yeah. He's like, ooh, maybe he'll wound something I can get. A little easy breakfast.
See some jumping down in the...
Mm-hmm. Beautiful Memorial Day Sunday here. So be surf and paddle, my business. Yay. At one point, the customers were getting a little too close to the dolphin. I had to stop them. I doubt the dolphin would have hurt them, but they may have disrupted what he was doing and ended our amazing dolphin show in the wild. So they listened, they stopped, and we were able to continue to watch the dolphin as he fed. Just keep a little distance, Dan. That's probably good right there. So it's maybe a foot deep right there. That's why he's putting on such a good show. Hey, blue heron got a little fish off of that. You're right, Dan. He scored. Yeah, that's one thing I love about my job. I mean, I don't lead all the tours and lessons, but I do love getting out and doing it. And you never know what you're going to see, and nature always surprises you. And it never gets old. I never get tired of seeing the dolphins and the manatees in the wild. Sometimes the manatees will come up and they'll roll over on their bellies and want you to scratch their bellies. They're just very affectionate mammals, you know, sea mammals. And great times. I love my work, making people happy, and connecting them with nature. Gotta readjust my board here while I'm filming. See how I can multitask. The blue heron's gone. He's like, hey, I got my meal for the day.
Yeah. Yeah, he did. We watched him get something.
Yeah. I really love what I do. I'm so blessed to be able to make people happy and give them a lifetime memory and experience and help connect them with nature too.
Thank you for watching. Like